The LG air conditioner aircode CH52 indicates a communication issue between the inverter PCB and the main outdoor PCB, often caused by faulty wiring or a malfunctioning inverter PCB. To address this problem, replacing the inverter PCB is a viable solution. This process involves cutting the power to the air conditioner, opening the AC housing, and taking a picture of the components for reference. The filter, coils, and fins must be removed to locate the PCB, and the wiring should be labeled before disconnecting the wire harnesses. The new PCB can then be connected using the labels as a guide, and the fins, filter, and AC housing can be reassembled. Alternatively, checking the wiring for physical damage, such as wear and tear or heat damage, is also essential. Ensuring the wiring is securely connected to the PCB or replacing damaged harnesses can also resolve the issue. By following these steps, the aircode CH52 can be effectively fixed, restoring the air conditioner to proper functioning.